welcome you in the session. I wanna make something information about how to use as well as and also when to use, where to use. As well is used and also is used. The meaning of the two are same here. But when also will be used in a sentence, it's used in sentence before with the verb. With the verb itself. Okay, with the verb itself, it's uses. He plays cricket. He also plays badminton. And that is the words in a sentence. Also we are using the same meaning as well is here. So how to use that? He plays cricket and badminton as well. That is the use of the two words having same meaning. So as well is used to the end of the sentence, but also you can use with the verb in the middle of the sentence. And that's the difference between the two. Now we come to use as well as. As well as keeps the meaning as well as keeps the meaning of the same here, that is not only but also. We are using sometimes there is this word not only but also. So how to use that? She is not only beautiful but also a talented girl. And what you have to use in lieu of not only but also, if you are gonna use as well as to, so how the sentence should be? She is beautiful as well as talented. That is the word we can use here. So we can learn here how to use as well. As well is used to the end of the sentence. Also is used when you can use in the middle of the sentence. And as well as you can use in lieu of using not only but also. And you can use as well as in the sentence. So that's the part of our using the sentence like that. So thank you so much.